Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. And today's Temu Tuesday, y'all, so get you something to drink. And come on. We got it's a small order this time. But get you something to drink. Come on, girl. Okay, got everything out of the thing. It is a craft haul. I don't need anything else. I mean, I'm not buying to be buying. I'm buying for stuff that I need or want to create with. So let me get, this is the only non-craft. Let me get it out of the way. And it was $3.29, and it is a reader for your iPhones. You got the USB-C and then the regular one. And you could put your micro disc in it, and you could put your regular scan disc in it. And it also has a USB port. And this is because I have over 20,000 pictures of my cats and my grandkids. And probably my crafts too. And thumbnails. I mean, let's be real. How many thumbnail pictures do we take before we cut one? Okay. So $3.29, that's to get all these pictures off my iPhone easier. And I'm going to include my pictures. Some of this stuff I think was out of stock when I checked about a couple weeks ago. So I'm glad I already got like the cover picture of them. That way I could share the photo of what they are. But this is a tag die cut. And it was $4.12. And it's about 5 1/4 inches long. So I'll put like I said, I'll put the pictures up, and I always put my numbers per, like I might say this is a envelope die cut, but I'll put number 2, and then it will say what it is. So just go by whatever my numbers is on the screen, no matter what they are, what I call it, you know. But so $4.12. I got a second kind, a little different. So the overall size of this one is 6 inches. Oops, I guess I could have told you by 3 inches. This one's 3.2. So this was $3.41. It says I have a price adjustment, but I didn't get it. I mean, I didn't write it down for y'all. I'm sorry. We're gonna zoom through this because I got another unboxing of something really cool today. So I'll do that video after this one. Alright, for 20 pieces it was $3.09, and these, I swear I think I have these. You ever buy your stash and you buy it over years and you think, oh, that's so cool, I need to put it in my stash, but then you probably got it already? And that's probably what this is. I probably already have it. But if you know me, I love my vintage stuff. And these are postcards, but not technically postcards because there's nothing, no postcard thing on the back. But yeah. So I don't think you're getting, let me see. I don't think you're getting 2 of anything. Guess I could turn them over, huh? Then I would know it if I'm doing it, huh? They're so cute, aren't they? And y'all can pause me. I'm not seeing anything duplicate yet. A lot of people are used to me going through all of them. I won't do it on everything, but I thought since this is only 20, you know, hey, y'all could just hang with me. Those are really, really, really cute. Really cute. So yeah, $3.09. I'm still trying to find the papers that match them, but I haven't found it yet. Because wherever you find the postcards, you're going to find the papers. And that would be cool. Okay, let's see. I got some more craft paper, craft wrapping paper. It was $5.06. I got 20 cents price adjustment. This paper's okay. It's not as good as the others. As in, it ripped real easy getting, just opening a package. And what was 17 inches by 197 inches. Oh, see, it's even ripping. The tape's ripping it. But it does have the craft paper on the back side, so it's not horrible that it's not printed on both sides. Like I said, I'm going to use these for pages and junk journals. This could be a really cute farmhouse, Valentine's or Christmas. So that's what that's for. Okay, got it. Alright. So this is 1.77 inches by 3 yards, which is 4.5 centimeters. And it was $2.76, and they're all the same. $2.76 for this one. I mean, it's lengthwise. So this is a, my fan's on, y'all, sorry. We got another heat thing going on where we're in the heat index is in a high, 100 and something. Okay. So you're getting 3 yards of that. And what I say it was? $2.76. So I got this one. This is purple. For $2.32, I got black. Exact same thing. Same seller and everything. For $2.76, I got red. And for $2.61, I got, they call it rose color, but I call it pink. Barbie pink, hot pink, I don't know. Any kind of pink you want to call it. And each of the, it's got lace and then it's got that little ribbon in front of it. Gorgeous. For junk journaling. I gotta get my rubber bands out. Okay, got 3 more things, y'all. Oh. Got a roll of yellow for fall. This is 200 yards, 6 inches by 200 yards. It was $3.90, $2.99 to ship it. So it's what, $6.19? I think I'm pretty good on colors right now. I don't think I need any more for right now. All right, for $8.65. Let me make this. I want to make sure. Okay, we got 8.5 by 6. I got 36 sheets, so they got 3 sets of 12. And this is, this has A5, but it is a Christmas. I'll put my pictures up here, y'all. I think I screenshot these. Okay. This one is called Snowman and Santa and Snowman. It was $8.03 and I got 24 cents off, and it's 36 pieces also. So right around 70 something. And this is more of a muted green with tans and browns. I've seen some blues in there. A little bit of reds. So you're getting 3 sets of 12, so you can make 3 junk journals with these, which is really good. And these are the same size. 8.25 by 6. Right. So that's a good deal. And that's it, y'all. Like I said, I have this, and unless I buy something else, I don't have anything else from Temu for right now. Like I said, I don't buy to buy. I will start, since a lot of the new people are used to me doing stuff on Tuesdays, because I always do Temu Tuesdays, and then I used to do Whatnot Wednesdays, and I haven't bought on Whatnot since before Thanksgiving. And then now Saturdays was always my DIYs. So I think what I'm going to do is, since I don't have, this is my last haul for right now. Even if I order more, it's still going to take a while to get here. So either you'll see this box in either the video before or the video after. I'm not really sure. But I'm going to start doing my DIYs on Tuesdays if I don't have a Temu haul. That way y'all know y'all used to me being there, and it won't throw y'all off, because my last DIY video, I mean, it sucked. No views. I mean, it's just, it's because there's just so many people. It's not used to me putting out on Saturdays anymore, because I haven't in a while. But I would appreciate if y'all check it out. I love doing my woodworking and making stuff. But yeah, that's all I got for right now. I want to thank everybody for coming and visiting me, and thank everybody that's come and joined new. And I'm getting all these beautiful, sweet comments from people. I am 100% you see. This is who you see. This is what you get. Yeah, I might cuss a little. Sometimes I might cuss a lot. I'm sorry if I do. But sometimes an oh shit moment happens. And I have quite a few of those here lately. Yeah. Yeah, as y'all know. So, thanks y'all. I'll see y'all next week. Bye y'all.